Okay, go for the next chapter, that is controlling. Okay, first we are going to know about the meaning of controlling. First topic is meaning of controlling. The meaning of controlling is control and ing is there. Okay, it means control on the work, and ing is given the word processing. It means controlling or control of the operational work. What work is going on, what work is going on in your business, what work is just operating on your business, just go and control. And on which behalf? The behalf of plan. What type of plan you are going to make? Same plan is going on with this work or not? For that we are going to control. It means first you are giving the plan. If all the worker, all the system is just going to with this plan only. Okay, beta? And then you are going to see what plan is there and what actually is going on. What plan is there and what actually is going on, and try to control the work what actually is going on to nearest to the plan. Or by the controlling we are going to just see the difference or variation or dispersion between the what exact plan and what exact is going on. First you are going to make the plan, beta. Make the plan and give me your all worker are given your all operational things are given your all manager and other. Okay, then you are telling me just operate this plan by the direction. Okay, and then they are going to start the work. Then we are going to control what type of work is going on and what type of work or what plan we are going to give. Okay, what type of dispersal between the or difference between the exact plan and what is going on, or what we are decide or what is going on, and system by which we are going to control the operational to nearest to your plan. That system is called, that process is called control. Clear? Control nothing else. Only you will learn about the plan, you will learn about the system, what you are given for the operation, what is given from the work, and then you are going to tally with this plan or with this system what is going on exactly at that time, and try to control the work that going on the systematic way on the behalf of your plan. Okay, beta? Clear? Go for the next. And next we go to nature. Okay. Now we are going for the natures of. Due to that is a part of management. It's a feature of management, functions of management. Okay. Just tell the first nature. Only 1%. Same you are seeing in the management, beta. Management is goal oriented. Same here. Controlling is also always goal oriented. What target decided by the management, we are going to see by the work easily achieve that target or that goal, and on the behalf of that goal we are going to control the work, or we are trying to controlling the work by which we are easily get our target. It means it's a goal oriented. What type of work you are decide, what type of plan you are decide, on the behalf of that we are going to control the works. Next. Controlling is pervasive. Why pervasive? In all dimensions, all type of work, we can utilize our controlling. Not only in management, not only in business, not only in company, not only in school. Everywhere we can utilize our controlling, or we can use the function that management as a control. Okay. Next. Controlling is just like a planning. Both backward and backward, they are seeing the plan. What plan is given by the management, they are seeing in backward. And what is going on, what is going in future, for that they are going to see the outcome. It means they are present, past and future, all things they are just going to see. For past, they are going to know about the what type of plan is there. In present, what type of work is going on. In future, how to control this work by which they are easily follow your plan. It means past and present and future all things is seen by the control. Okay. Next. It's a continuous. Always I am saying all the function of management is continuous process. Planning, directing, controlling, organizing, and staff. These are what? Only staffing is not doing the same thing, but other thing is what? Continuous process. Because work is going on continuous, plan is going on continuous, operational thing is going on continuous, so then sure and certain your controlling is going on continuous, because when work is going on continuous and you are going to control on that work, so that is going on continuous. It's the process of continuous process. Okay, next. Next is nature is finished. Now we are going for the importance of directing or controlling. Importance of controlling. First is by the controlling, you are first decide the plan, giving the direction, by that plan is going on. But without the controlling, you are not making sure these things that plan is going on systematic way or not. And by the controlling, you just see that plan is going on systematic way, or that plan is utilizing by the operational things, or that system is going on in operational things. Otherwise, if you are not going to control, your plan will not be successfully utilized. Okay. Next. By the controlling, we can try to reach our standard or reach our plan. In objective, we are just set the standard. Okay, our product on this standard, our goods on this standard, and then by the controlling, we are trying to maintain our goods, our service, or our products. If they are going to produce up to that standard. Maybe that is working standard, maybe that is work standard, maybe that is time standard, maybe that is product standard. But these all checked by the controlling. Next. What? By the controlling, by the directing, we are giving the instruction for the utilizing of resource, but by the controlling, we are going to see if that resource exactly utilized for these all system or not. That resource we are going to use or not. That resource we are going to utilize with the planning or not. That resource we are going to use in the full way or not. These all we are utilizing in controlling. So by the controlling, maximum utilization, optimum utilization of resources. Next. By the controlling, it is not like that you are going to make the pressure only to your employee to do this, that is. No. By the controlling, we are trying to motivate also that they are ready to do the work without any pressure. They are ready to follow the plan. They are ready to follow the system. They are ready to work on himself by the motivation. And that motivation we are utilizing in control. Next. Order and well known. Without the controlling, you all teacher is going out of the class and start. It means controlling is needed. Same way, only giving the plan, only giving the direction, it's not enough for the discipline. Here, in this topic, discipline is not like that everyone is standing in the line. No. Discipline means what type of work is given, what time from the work is given, try to do that work in which time and in that system. Okay, that is discipline. And how to maintain this discipline? By the control. Okay, next. By the controlling, we are giving the facility for the planning, we are giving the facility for the directing, we are giving the facility for the making the new object, we are giving the facility for the controlling, by the controlling giving the facility for the organizing the system, coordination of the system. By the controlling, they are in not much pressure, but in the pressure to just coordinate with the all. Next. Last topic is that controlling process. Okay. Try to finish it as today. Okay. Controlling process. How we are going to control data? We have some plan, we have some instruction, and then we are going to check that instruction is going on or not, that system is going on or not, and then we are going to give the instruction or directing and try to control and motivate that person or that system. By that we are trying to control the full system. Okay? In your book there is given as a headings, we are going to explain on the headings. Okay, first beta. First setting the target. That target is given by the management, may be given by the top management. Target or plan beta. Target or plan. Okay, 500 units, 800 units, 1000 units, 2000 units we are going to produce. That is what? That is the target. First we are going to set the target or set the plan or make the plan. Okay, beta? In the process of controlling, first thing is this only. Okay, next. Then we are going to see what is going on exactly. What is going on in operation, what is going on in function, what is going on in your business, what is going on in your factory. Measure that. That is going on the systematic way or not. That is going on the up to this level or not. As like that, your target is 2000 units in a month. Okay? So divide by 30. At least how many products we are going to make per day? At least 600, 60, something, 60 plus, 62, 63 maybe. Okay? So if 62 is there, that is okay. Otherwise you are getting 50 only. So to sure and certainty you are not easily controlling your system, you cannot get your target in future. If per day you are getting only 50 product, so then sure and certain beta. So then we are going to measure what is going on exactly. Okay, next. Then we are going to compare. We want to up to 62, but we are getting only 50. Are you sure? We are going to make our plan, and we have the plan, and what is going on? What the plan is there and what is going on? We are going to compare this. How much difference is there? Dispersal is there. Okay? And then last, next, what? Deviation. In first year, say no deviation. Just see the deviation. Deviation here 12 meter. On this point, 12 deviation is there. Then we are going to check difference between the what your plan and what is going on. And then we are going to calculate the deviation between what you decide and what is going on. Okay? Next. Then we are given the different type of measures or different type of characters things. We are going to controlling the things. We are trying to minimize this difference or this deviation by the utilizing of your controlling measures. Next. Last is your work will when finished, when we are going to control the system, control the things and minimize this difference. Because when you are come on the 62 per day unit, then you will easily get your target. Otherwise, you are facing problem in future with this 12 unit per day. If 12 unit per day deviation is coming to after 10 days, how many? After 10 days. 120, then will not easy to control it or change or achieve it. Okay, beta? These is all the system: controlling, meaning, nature, importance, and process. Only these four in your syllabus. Okay. Now this your first part is finished. Okay.